Good morning and Sairam to all the students. Students, welcome in your online English class. So today in your English class, we are not going to start any new chapter or a revision. What we are going to do, I'm going to allot you some assignments for internal assessment. As we are starting our internal assessment, so for that I'm going to assign you English assignments. So the first assignment which I'm going to tell you is letter writing, basically formal letter. This letter writing I have already taught you in the previous sessions. Let's do one recall because today for the internal assessment I'm going to assign you one letter writing activity. So let's do letter writing small recall. So as everybody know that in this world of multimedia, although people prefer communication through phone, fax, email and so many other application, yet importance of letter are undermined. So letters are the best means of communication, most intimate thoughts and feeling, and in the world of formal or organization, letters are still very popular. Everybody knows there are two types of letter, informal letter and formal letter. Informal letters we are writing to our relative friends and near and dear ones. But formal letters basically are applications, letter to the editor, municipal corporation, authorities, business houses and many other authorities. So types of letter, formal and informal. So in this session we are going to read about the formal letter. Use impersonal yet pleasing tone means that you should not use like lines loving, caring, but the tone should be very pleasing. So you can use grant, kindly, such kind of words. Avoid using intimate greeting, dear, lovely, caring. These greetings you cannot use in formal letter. There should be a proper format of the formal letter. Be straight and up to the point. You no need to ask how are you, hope you are doing well. Such lines we should not write in the formal letter. We should very clear and straightforward, and letter should be to the point. We cannot use the harsh word in the formal letter, so we should use always polite language. Now, what is the format of a letter? First of all, we are writing the sender address as it is written on the left hand corner. Then sender means the person who is writing a letter. Again I am telling you, if in the question the sender name is given, then student you have to write the sender name which is given in the question. If nothing is given, then you can write your own name. Don't be so confused. I am saying again, if in the question sender name is given, then you should write the same name. Whether you are girl or boy, you should write the same name which is given in the question. But if there is no question, a name is given in the question paper, then only you can write your own name. Then date, the date means in which you are writing the letter. The way to write a date I have already given. Two example I have written, so you should follow that. Then recipient address means to the person who you are writing. Like if you are writing to the newspaper editor, so you have to write Amar Ujala's newspaper editor. If you are writing to the municipal corporation, then municipal corporation Delhi, like this. Then fourth point is subject line. Subject line is very important because in the subject line you are giving the brief information about the letter. Then salutation. In salutation you can use dear Mr. Goyal, dear Dr. Rishi, such kind of word you can use. 6. The body. Body means the main content. Content should be to the point, no extra words very brief, short, and very much attracting to the point. At the end, complimentary clause like you're faithfully, truly, obediently. Obediently basically we are using in case of school when we are student. Otherwise, you're truly and faithfully we can write to the authorities, business houses, municipal corporation, where at last sender name and signature means the person name and signature. So here is a one question, and this question, this is an application to the principal requesting the fee concession, and here is a sample. I am not showing you the body. Let's talk on the highlight because we are writing to the, so name of a send address is not written, date is here, then the recipient address, then subject line, then salutation. This is whole body. At last you are obediently closing, and Arpit Sahu, that is a signature. So this, in this way you have to write the letter. So student, as I told you, I have already taught you this letter in our previous grammar session. So it just, today I am giving you just a small recall, and question of assignment I will give you in the end of the video. Okay, so letter writing, I hope a brief introduction is clear. Now we'll do second thing, notice writing. Okay, so now second topic of today's activity is notice writing. What is notice writing? So notice writing is a written or printed announcement. What is notice writing? It is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that had happened or to is about to happen. So notice are the factual and to the point. The language used is simple, normal, not flowery. They are put on display both in the school or at public places. Notice writing is like a simple short description about something which is going to happen or something which you want to inform to the others. Now for the notice writing, this is a format. You have to make a box. First of all, you have to make a box. Then you should write name of the school. Again, if the school name is given in the question, then you have to follow the same. Otherwise, you can write your own name. Then you have to write notice. Then date of issue of notice, the same way as you are writing in the letter. Then title, subject, the main point. Then body. In body, you have to inform everything about the content. Then at last, authorized signature means the person who is writing the letter. I am repeating the points again. Name of the school, then we write notice, then date of the notice, then title, main point, then the content line, at last the authorized person. I am showing you one example. See, in this way. So name of the school in the middle, here in the capital letter, name of the school in the middle capital letter. Then we write notice in this way. Date of issue, here we are writing like 6th September 2020. Then we write title. Title means whatever is your notice is related to, give a short title. Then on in body write the specific thing. Then at last your name or authorized person name. This is a way to write a notice. Now let's see our assignment questions. So first question is our from letter writing. What is our first question from letter? Now what is the question? You are Mukund Raj living at 14 Rajaji Park, Delhi. Write a letter to the municipal corporation about the poor maintenance of street lighting of your locality. So first assignment, you have to write the formal letter to the municipal corporation as Mukund Raj living in the Rajaji Park, Delhi. And what is the subject here? Poor maintenance of street lighting. What is the subject here? Poor maintenance of street lighting. So what you have to do, in any paper write a letter, then afterwards you have to click the photo and convert into the PDF and send it to your teacher, send it to me. And remember, this internal assessment has marks, so do it, and it is compulsory for each and every student. This is the question. This question is very much important. This you have to do. Now, this is the question number 2. The question number 2 is from notice writing. As I told you, I am going to give you 2 questions. One is from formal letter and another for notice writing. So, this is the question number 2. You are Ketan Sharma. As you are girl or boy, you should write this name only. You are Ketan Sharma, a student of 6th A at the BV Haridwar. You have found a water bottle lying unclaimed near the water point. So what is the body of the notice? That you have found a water bottle unclaimed near the water point. Write a notice in about 50 words inviting the owner of a bottle to claim it after identifying it. And now in the question there is nothing about water bottle, so you can use your own imagination to write the description of the water bottle. So now in this, for this question also, you have to write in a paper, click or scan the photo and send it to your teacher. Now what you have to do for both activity, on the first page you have to write your name, class, section and GR number. Then after doing letter and notice, I am repeating, both questions are compulsory. There is no option. Both questions are compulsory. After doing both question, click a photo or scan, convert that photo or scan thing into PDF, send it to the teacher. And this is an assignment of the English for your internal assessment. Okay student, I hope you all understood this, how to send to the teacher and what are the question. Just keep in mind, you have to mention the question also before writing the solution. On the top, first you mention the question, this is your question number 1, then write a letter, then write question number 2, then write the notice. After that, just click a photo, convert this into a PDF and send it to your teacher. Don't forget to write your name, class, section and GR number on the top of the answers. Don't forget to write your name, class, section and GR number on the top of the answer. I hope that all, there will be no confusion regarding the English assessments. So this is in the internal assessment of English, I have allotted you 2 assignments. One is formal letter writing and another is notice writing. Sai Ram students.